sprouted protein snacks over here, and we got beans over here, bean chips. And this is called Hint. Let me try that one again.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun.
Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. If you are new to my channel, on my channel I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you like watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's box unboxing, I have my SnackNation box for the month of July. And this is a brand new box to my channel. Now, before I open it, I just want to give you the quick little rundown of what SnackNation is, what they have to offer, and how much it costs. SnackNation is a food membership box where you receive snacks in the mail. Now they have multiple boxes. You can go on their website and check it out for yourself. But the one I got is called the $1 Snack Club. And that's right, I paid $1 for this box. But I had to pay shipping and handling too, which was $3.99. Now I don't know if shipping and handling is different in different parts of the country, but that's what I had to pay for Ohio. Now, so I paid $1 plus $3.99 shipping and handling. So I got this box for $4.99. And all they ask of me to do is go online after I eat all the snacks and fill out a quick 2 to 3 minute survey. And then I'll get the same discount for the next month. Definitely, I will leave the link down below. Go check it out. I think that's fabulous for $4.99 to get 6 little snacks. I can throw them in my husband's lunchbox. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it and see what I got. Now here's what it looks like on the inside. It was nicely wrapped, but just to save time, I went ahead and undid all the wrapping. And just like right here, rate your snacks and save money. Fill out the survey by the 25th of the month. So I guess they want you to fill it out by the 25th of the month. And here's all my little goodies. So I'm going to hold them up and quickly describe everything that I got. Now, I don't remember filling out a survey or anything, so I think they just send you stuff, and then I guess when you fill out your survey, they're going to figure out what you like or what you don't, or that's my guess. I don't know. Okay, so here is the first item out of the box, and this looks like what they are calling sprouted protein snacks, and it says, "Snacking just got real. Made with the mighty mung bean." And this is called Crunchers. And this is 5 grams of fiber, and it is a vegan snack. So yummy. So it's got mung beans, sunflower seeds, and mustard powder, smoked salt, chilies, garlic, paprika, maple sugar. Ooh, sounds pretty good to me. Yeah, so there's the first little snack out of the box. So we'll put this off to the side. So we got some barbecue snacks. Okay, and the next item out of the bag is this, and these are called Bonitos. And these are a super powerful beans with the hint of lime. And you get 5 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. They're called bean chips. So I guess they're made out of beans. And the #1 ingredient is Great Northern beans. So now they're making chips out of beans. So that will definitely be interesting. It has only 130 calories per bag. So, I don't know. Stay tuned. Not only will I do the survey for them, I will also tell you what I think about these after I've tried them all. And the next item out is these, and these are some Narns Oat Gram Cookies. Ooh, yummy. Oat Gram Cookies. Now these sound good. Those two, I don't know, they're kind of iffy for me, but these sound really good. I love graham crackers. Yeah, so awesome. GMO, non-GMO verified. So very good. No problem with those. Oh, and now we have some more seeds. And this is called hemp seed. Hemp, yeah. Protein-packed super seeds. Dark chocolate almond sea salt. Now I know a lot of people don't like dark chocolate, but me, I'm a fan. And I think I'm gonna like this one. And actually, I'm gonna open this one up for you guys and taste it right in front of you and give you the review on this one because this sounds very interesting to me. So let's see what I think. And I will give you my honest opinion. If I think it's gross, I'm gonna say it's gross. And sorry to the company who made it, but I gotta be honest. But I like dark chocolate and almonds and sea salt, so it don't sound bad. Here's what it looks like. I went through a lot of different emotions right there. I liked it, but then something's grabbing me and I'm tasting it that I'm not liking, but I don't dislike it. I would say that I wouldn't go out of my way to purchase this. It has a slight aftertaste to it, but it's not unpleasant. I'm not gonna throw it away. I probably will snack on it because it seems like it's a nice healthy little snack, but would I go out of my way and buy it? Probably not. Okay, let me put it back in the package and I will save that for later tonight, maybe with a movie. So I'll just put that right there. Oh, I should have saved my taste test. I'm only doing one taste test, guys, and I should have looked and should have done this one. Oh, look, this is Aloha peanut butter chocolate chip. Oh, that sounds really good. This is plant-based protein. So it seems like I got a lot of vegan stuff in here. Peanuts, tapioca fiber, brown rice protein, pumpkin seed protein, chocolate chips, sugar, chocolate, coconut butter, vanilla powder. Ooh, that sounds all good. That sounds all good, guys. All right. And the last item out, oh, my husband's definitely gonna like this. He loves dried fruit, and this is real dried aloe vera and mango fruit. I don't know about aloe vera though. I've tasted aloe vera. It doesn't have a very good taste, but mango fruit and aloe vera. Made with real aloe vera straight from the leaf, plus rich and exotic fruits. We think we've crafted the new untypical snack for your untypical life. As the top aloe vera beverage brand, we are proud to introduce the first ever aloe vera dried fruit snack. Enjoy a burst of flavor when mixed together. Well, you never know. I will do a product review and go through everything with you guys next month, and I definitely will let you know. So I think for $4.99, I got all these snacks. I will leave the link down below. Definitely go check it out. Like I said, the hemp seed one, it was all right. I'm not going to throw it away. I will eat it, but it wasn't a home run. Okay. Definitely go check this out, guys. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun.